Q's are coming. Okay. The Q's are coming. Okay. We say move out our way so we can get to the front. I'll get back. The Q's are coming. The Q's are coming. I want my Q's to fight higher. Until the day that we die. Say, fight.
YouTube, what's good? It's your guy Hitch. I might go by a different name today, but we'll get to that. The greatest fraternity in history just got done with their conclave back on July 19th to the 24th, and they painted the city of New Orleans purple and gold. If you still don't know what fraternity I'm talking about my fraternity, the Omega Psi Phi Fraternity Incorporated, and I'm kind of hurt. Not because I didn't have a great time. I had an amazing time in New Orleans. I ate great, met a bunch of bros, seen bros I hadn't had a chance to see in a little while. It was just a great time of fellowship, just being out, enjoying the city of New Orleans, and again, the food was amazing. But the reason I was hurt was because I wanted to ID a pair of sneakers to take down there, and that failed, my first attempt. So my second attempt, they didn't get here until maybe 3 days after Clave. So I was not able to take them down there, but they are here now. And the craziest part about this all is that I didn't know you can ID Chuck Taylors and Converses on Nike's website. Now, I know Converse is owned by Nike, but I've never seen them on the ID option. But after failing to create a pair of sneakers for Clave, it was crazy. I went back in there and they were just sitting there. So they came, and I'm pretty excited. I'm very excited. The reason I said I might go by a different name today is because my line name is on my kicks. My line name is GQ. My chapter is Mu Gamma Gamma in New Jersey. We are in the 2nd district, and it's time to take a look at what I created. Well, first and foremost, thank you to Converse and Nike, I should say, because they own them. But thank you to them for now having the ID option, which they've never had, or not that I've known to my knowledge. So that's where the blank canvas idea comes from, is what I'm guessing. Very simple box, Converse logo, the website, more logo, branding all over. And then you have some details here. So I have a size 8. Converse's, Chuck Taylor's run big, so I went down a half size. And then it says I ordered on the 16th. I ordered on the 13th. And then it says shipped on the 24th, which there's no way in hell they shipped it on the 24th when I got it on the 26th. I think that's the anticipation date they had for me to receive them. But whatever. They did an amazing job getting them to me. Ordered on the 13th. I got them at my crib on the 26th, I'm going to say. And not expensive, $75. So you don't get much stuff in here, just some wrapping paper. Now, to the goods. The idea was, aside from being out and making sure I got some kicks, paying homage to my frat, the greatest frat in history, I have a dilemma. These are my goldies. I can't wear these all the time. As much as I would like to, just can't do it. Okay? So, in situations where I can't do it, I wanted to have a pair of sneakers that look good, still were purple and gold, and they can get beat up on a little bit. They weren't too expensive, and the Chuck Taylors were perfect. Initially, I tried it with some Huaraches, and unfortunately, because of the limited options, they just didn't pan out, and I didn't think they looked too well. This is perfect. Now, this is everything that you're going to see here for the most part is really just your regular Chuck Taylor with some creativity from yours truly, GQ, of Mu Gamma Gamma. And that's really it. So you have regular white stitching, regular eyelets. This is your regular canvas material. I didn't change it and upgrade it to leather or anything to that nature. You have your Converse Chuck Taylor All-Star logo on the inner, the medial side of the shoe. The toe cap is white with the black trim around it. Black trim on the midsole. Nothing new. This is all regular Chuck Taylor stuff. Converse All-Star logo on the heel. Some more holes here with the regular silver touches. That's it. But time to be out. So we put the purple upper. We make sure everybody know GQ of Mu Gamma Gamma. And then you got your gold laces. Now, being that they're Chuck Taylors, these will probably be the only shoes that you ever see me tie, because they're gonna fall off my feet. But know what really sets the shoe off, ladies and gentlemen? That you see the bros, we always got fatigues on, so why would I not have the fatigues on the inside lining of my shoe? Now, this is an option on the website. So if you were to go to the website, they have a few different fatigue options, and I chose the one that I thought looked the best, and this was it. So the entire inner lining of the shoe are fatigue. So the other thing is, a lot of times when you wear Chucks, the tongue is pretty flimsy. After some wear and tear, it's sometimes going to fold, and I like how that looks. So that's really it. On the inside, you have your Converse insole, nothing new. But these are my Omega Psi Phi Chuck Taylors, and I love them. If you like them, please like the video. If you don't like them, you can let me know. You know, I will give you guys the on feet. But until then, root to the good bros.
Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Why you go? Let's get into it. Mona Lisa, tell me why you go. Clothes painted on you, kinda close, yeah. You know you the jelly to my butter roll. I could be your moonshine all around your globe, girl. You got my heart chain like Django. Be my Nia Long, Love Jones, I'm Lorenzo. Be your morphine, make your pain go. Cigarillo full of gas, make the plane go. Southwest Delta, me and you unite, yeah. You my Eve, you my prime rib. Skipping through your garden, jungle is my climate. Bite the apple if I find it. No strings like a Bluetooth, Wi-Fi. Mayweather, jab, left, right. Sicky if you're nasty. High five, waistline, ass cheek, slow grind, slip, glide. You ain't gotta lie in front of me. Shout out to the women that get high and wanna leave.